for conjugality, and through it, conception will take place. God never expected that when a man and woman sleep, and for the fun of it, and the woman conceive, and you go and abort the pregnancy. Praise the Lord. God expected their procreation will occur. So, I want you to know that if you are not done the needful, and you keep on giving excuses when you ought to surrender your body for godly pleasure to take place between husband and wife, and you're giving excuses, bury that idea from today. And then you see that marriage relationship improve. I hope everybody will be accountable. If you call the separation and destruction of your marriage, you will come before God. Praise the Lord. I thank the Lord for you this day, for giving audience and joining me. May the Lord bless you as you join me next time. Remember to love my channel, subscribe, drop a comment, and share. The Lord bless you. Join me next time.